Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gano. I am the CEO, Master Certified Wedding Planner and Florist of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creation is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We service New Jersey, Delaware, New York. We do also do home decor staging. So if you have a home that you're selling and you need somebody to just add an extra touch on it, or maybe if it's an office space and you want to change your look or your business or grand opening, we do decor and information for that as well. I also offer DIY wedding service where I teach other couples how to plan the wedding from start to finish. So I'm just gonna get right into the video because that's what we are here for. Today I'm gonna talk about how to be a team player, and I mean in business and in personal life and in anything you do, I mean your wedding. The reason for that is that sometimes we as individual, when we have that notion that if we know something, or if you are the boss, we have that leadership thing that, oh, it's me, I'm the boss, you have to listen to me. Um, and sometimes that's not the case. You're the boss, but you may not have the power. And I think that's why a lot of people get things confused because what set a great leader from a horrible leader, somebody who's not, is how you treat your staff and how you work well with others, how you empower people to be great. Because if you have people that are working under you, or you have people in life, whatever it's your own business, whatever, just personal thing in your own line of jobs or anything you do, if even if it's your own wedding, if you have people that honor you and you mistreat them or you don't treat them fairly or you don't give them that proper skills and knowledge that they need to grow, that reflects badly on you. Because if people around you are not doing better, as a leader, you are a horrible leader. You should want people under you to be great. You should do everything in your part because that reflects on your ability to lead, that affects on your ability to manage, that affects on your ability to teach. Because you don't have to say anything. If people walk into a space, let's say it don't even have to be your own business. Let's say your office space. If you walk into a restaurant and you go into a restaurant, and from the start to finish, when the time you walk into that restaurant, you get great customer service. The place is clean. Everything is on point. The food, the service is amazing. Yes, you're gonna enjoy the atmosphere, but you'll be like, wow, whoever is managing that restaurant, whoever owned that restaurant is doing a great job. You have probably even haven't met the owner. You probably haven't even met the manager. But from the level of service that you get from start to finish, it reflects on your ability. Now, if you go into that restaurant and say, oh my God, that place is so horrible. The managers don't do anything. They just run the place. The staff just do whatever they want to do. I don't care what you do. Even if you are the one that's not constantly doing that, you are considered a bad leader. So the road of that is that you have to learn to work well with others. Like for me, my notion is that yes, I know I'm capable of doing a lot of things, but I give people the opportunity. Like in my business, I literally, when we go on to set up a decor, yes, I may have the design scheme, I may have everything in my head, or the vision that the clients told me for months or a year or however long it is. But once I, and this is something that I include all in my contract to let clients know that, okay, we may talk about this design, but for my creative judgment, there's certain things that may change that will best fit, that I feel best fit the taste that will make your day look better. So you might give me a picture of something that's amazing and you say, oh, I want this look. One, I cannot create the whole look 100% because that's copyright. That's not my work. So I can't just take somebody's things and make it 100% mine and claim that it is, because you got to understand, I'm going to be taking pictures. I'm going to be recreating this look, and I can say, oh, I'm the one that did it if I'm not the original person. So there's certain things that will be changed to showcase my ability on that as well. So with that being said, when I walk into the space, I let my team know, like, hey, this is what we are here to do. But I'm gonna give you the creative judgment, set it up in this way. And then I check back on them, make sure, hey, are you guys doing okay? How do you feel about this space? What do you think we should change? What you would think? And then I give them my opinion. Well, okay, this is what you're doing. I know this is right, but maybe we can change it around. But when you are working with people and you just have that demeanor of, well, it's about me. You don't want to listen to everybody's opinion or what they have to say or their suggestion, their comment. You just feel that you always have to define the same. People don't want to work for you. Nobody want to be around you. It not even work for you. Nobody want to be around somebody who claims that they know it all. Even if you do know it all, that doesn't mean you should try to belittle or shut other people out. There's a lot of ways you can do certain things. Now, nobody's perfect. We all have our flaws. I'm one of the person I like things done and I like it done correctly. If I ask you to do something and you don't do any timeline, the guideline that's supposed to do it, of course I'm going to take over. It doesn't mean that I don't give you the opportunity, but I want you to be dependable. I'm not doing it for you because I don't know how to, but I'm trusting you when you give me a word and say you're going to do something, you should do it. That's just how my work style is. But I don't belittle other people and make people feel bad or try to feel like, well, this is about me or because it's my company or because it's my this is it. I can't do it alone. Nobody can. Because if my employee is not happy, they are not satisfied with how I am, it'll be a revolving door of staff in and out. And that reflects back on my business and also reflects back on you. So you have to learn how to talk to people in a way that best shows. Learn how to listen, even if you don't agree with what they're saying. Listen to their opinion of it. And then you can tell them have to say. And one of the most important things that I tell everybody when you're working with anybody, be honest. Even no matter how hard that will be, even if you're gonna hurt that person's feelings, people would rather hear the truth of how things really are than to sugarcoat it or make them feel good about something that you know is not right and then you say something behind the back about it. That's just a bad example as a leader. Don't pair your staff up together. There's some people's skills who are different. Some people may have different ways. Some people are more visual. Some people are hands-on. Everybody's learning style is different. As a leader, it's your role to find what is best in that person and bring it out of them. You don't try to change everybody to fit in your bubble because the way you work may not be with the way their brain work. It doesn't mean they are any less than you, but it's just that they work differently. Try to teach them and make them understand the concept of what are you trying to do. And that's some of the reason why I do this, because yes, I don't have anything that I can say, oh, what this I have to do this for this person before I can share, this person have to do this for me. No, because in the end I had to learn from someone. If somebody didn't teach me what they knew, I would not be where I am. Every day I'm constantly learning, even from a little baby. There's certain things they may tell me that I may not know. So I'm constantly learning. In order to be a good leader, you should be able to learn from each other and also let people set them on that right path. Bring out that creativity in them. Learn to work with others, because if you are that boss that said, oh, it's my way and the hard way, if you don't like it, you can leave, you can do this. But then when you do all of that, they can make your life a living hell. You will go to work or you go to even the same thing with your event. If you're working with vendors and they're trying to help you and they're trying to tell you what things is supposed to be, and you one of those one of those couple that said, hey, I want it my way and this is what they're gonna, they would just fall back. If it happens, it happens. Because the thing about it, like I said, it don't take a lot to be nice to people. It don't take a lot to just listen to people. Be open-minded. That's the way you can grow. And sometimes when you are nice to the way you treat people, you can get a lot more out of them. If you're nice to your vendors, if you're nice to people in general, they will want to help you. They will want to be there for you. They won't let you suffer. They'll say, you know what, this person's always do certain things, so I'm going to try to make sure that I'm there to help them. But if you're one of those people who just feel like you can do it all by yourself, people just let you drown. So once again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Once again, my name is Linda Gunner. I am the Master Certified Wedding Planner of Linda's Perfection Creations. You can sign up for my wedding seminar classes, where I can teach you how to plan your wedding from start to finish. And you can also sign up for a free 30-minute consultation if you have an upcoming event, an upcoming wedding. If you just want to ask some questions or just tell me a little bit about what services you're looking for, you will meet with me in not my staff or anybody else. I'll take the time and talk. Even if you don't sign up for the services, it's still free. Thank you, and you have an amazing day.